Now, these demonstrations I have demonstrated that mechanical system, electronic system, electrical system, and also control systems. So you can have all this kind of subsystems under one roof, that is the integration of simulation. I think it is not possible to use other simulation software to host all these kind of systems. I think IMC is capable of simulating mechanical system, but it may not work well with electrical or electronic systems. So there are quite a lot of simulation software, but none of them, other than simulating, can do this kind of multidisciplinary simulation. To have all kind of to have all kind of parts under one roof. And as I said, that if you are using simulation, you do not have to know too much, to have too much knowledge, low-level knowledge. So it is useful for non-professionals to perform simulation on certain areas. If you are expert of control but not expert in mechanisms, you can also perform simulation for that kind of systems. And by the use of simulating, it allows you to perform building block way to constructing real-world simulation systems, just as if you are assembling the system by hand for the real-world hardware systems. And the system structure should be easy to understand and easy to debug. So we can stop here, and then I will show you later on signal and image processing and video processing. Okay. About image and video processing. So before we do that, we have to say that there are usually two sources for images and videos. One is from the existing file. The other one is from the camera. So you can perform real-time video processing. So now I want to explain to you how we can input image or video into how can we input a video or image into Matlab environment. Suppose there is a video file already recorded, and this one comes from Matlab's demonstration. Some part of the demonstration is I used the materials from Matlab, and some part are created by myself. So suppose there is a video file. How can we import it into Matlab environment? And how can we display it with Matlab environment? This is the video. And the other one is image. And the other one is from camera, or camcorder, or live camera. So how can we get that kind of information and process it? So the first question is, how can we read file and display it in Matlab or in simulation? To display it, we have to use a block set called video and image processing, which is abbreviated like VIP, video and image processing. So we have to open the video and image processing toolbox. Actually, it should be a block set. There are two kinds of programs. One kind of program is called the toolbox. The other one is block set. There are differences. Toolbox are written in Matlab, which usually provided a Matlab function. However, block sets are usually consist of blocks for simulating. So let's go back to simulating first. Let's see the video and image VIP block sets. In the block set, there are several groups. One is the sources, which allow you to read a file into Matlab environment, which Matlab use as source, you can read in images, videos. You can use different kinds of, different formats of files, PNG files, JPG files, BMP files. Almost all the picture files are supported. And also you can use AVI and other kind of video files as input. So you can use this kind of block to input a file into Simulink or Matlab environment. How can we display it? We can use things. And things, we can have video display blocks. And if you have this block, and if you run the block, if you run the simulation program, you can view the video result from video or from image file. So there are two kinds of viewers. One is ordinary use of viewer, the other one is for Windows only. And you can also save the video result back to a file, to the multimedia file or to workspace. So these are the two groups you need to use. One is the source of the file, and the other one you can save the result or display the result. Apart from that, you can have different kinds of video and image processing utilities. For instance, you can analyze the image file, you can extract the edges to perform edge detection, and you can perform some kind of enhancements on the videos. And you can perform video type conversion or color space conversion from RGB to mono to grayscale or some other kind of data type conversion. And also you can use supporting and other kind of image processing facilities. So let's see how can we import a file into Matlab environment and how to display it. First, we need to add a source, which is something like this. We can copy it and paste it in a blank window. So this is the source, and if you double click it, you can specify the file name here. If you have a file name, just view it there. And how can we display it? Just go back to things, and then you can have a video viewer. You can copy it and paste it in the blank window. Oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong button. So paste it here and just connect them together so you can display it. Each time you run the program for the first time, then you will have a initialization program like this. Where is the display? Oh, it should appear somewhere in the window, but the size of the resolution of it is not quite high, so we cannot find it. In other places in the window. I have to find it first, to disconnect it, and restore the resolution of the file.